I have a quote here from Orison Martin's book, Prosperity, How to Attract It, written nearly 100 years ago. Mr. Martin writes, "When you long for something that is perfectly legitimate for you to have, sow your affirmation seed in perfect confidence that it will bloom in reality. Say to yourself, God is no respecter of persons. He is not partial in his treatment of his children. They all have the same rights, the same privileges. He will give me through my own effort what I need, what I ask for. The poorest, most ragged wretch that crawls has just as many hours in his day as has the richest and most powerful magnate. I can and I will do what I long for. I will be what I desire to be." What a great way to live life. Not just putting forth an effort, but at the same time having confidence because God loves you just as much as he loves everyone else. And all of God's children have the same rights and the same privileges. God never intended for any of his children to fail. He designed us for success. That's why he said, "You are more than a conqueror." Have a great day.